Welcome back to Mr. Scott Maths. In this video we're going to take a look at expanding double brackets. Though if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover, just leave a comment down below and I'll get to that video as soon as I can. Also make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. So in this video we're looking at expanding double brackets. So expanding double brackets means we're multiplying, say for example, this first bracket by this second bracket. So we need to multiply everything that's in this bracket by everything that's in this bracket. Now to make sure that we don't miss anything out, what we'll do is we'll use the FOIL method. Now FOIL stands for firsts, outers, inners, lasts, and it describes the order in which we multiply our terms in this double bracket. So starting off with firsts, that is our two first terms in each of our brackets. So in this case it will be x multiplied by x, and that will give us x squared. Now we've got to do our outers. So that's going to be this x and this 5. X multiplied by 5 is going to give us 5x. So we've got x squared plus 5x. Now our I, these are inners, and that's going to be to our two inside terms, so these two here. So 4 and x, or 4 multiplied by x will give us 4x. And finally we have our lasts, which is our two last terms in our brackets. So a 4 and a 5. And we multiply them together. 4 multiplied by 5 gives us 20. So we've got x squared plus 5x plus 4x plus 20. But this isn't our final answer yet because we can still collect like terms. So let's look at our like terms. Well, so far we've just got an x squared. We've got no other x squareds, so we leave that as it is. Now we've got our x's, we've got a 5x and a 4x. Well, we add those two together and it gives us 9x. And then finally we have a plus 20, which we can leave on the end. So our final answer will be x squared plus 9x plus 20. Okay, let's look at another example. This time we have x plus 2, x minus 3. So we've got a negative in here as well, and we'll see how that affects things. Well, we'll start off with our first again, remember our FOIL method. So again, this time it's going to be x multiplied by x, which gives us x squared. Now we've got our outers. So we've got this x, and we've got this 3. But this 3 isn't just a 3, it's a negative 3. So this sign stays with the 3. So it's x multiplied by negative 3, which gives us negative 3x. Now we've got our inners. So this is going to be this 2 and the x. We've got a positive 2 and an x. Well, 2 multiplied by x will give us 2x. And then finally we've got our lasts, which will be our 2. And our negative 3, well, 2 times negative 3 will give us negative 6. So again, we've got to collect our like terms, where we've just got this x squared on its own. So we leave it as it is. Now we've got minus 3x plus 2x. Well, minus 3 plus 2, if we're starting at minus 3, we're going up 2. We end up at minus 1. So it'd be minus 1x, but remember it's a 1x, we don't need to put that 1 in there, so we leave it as minus x. And then finally, we've got our minus 6 on the end. So our final answer, x squared minus x minus 6. Okay, this example, we have 2x plus 6, x plus 3. And you notice in this one, we haven't just got an x here. For this first bracket, we've got a 2x, and we'll see how that affects things. So we start off with our firsts. And that's going to be 2x multiplied by x. And that's going to give us 2x squared. So we've still got that x times x. We've got a 2 at the front as well, so 2x squared. Now we've got to do our outers. So it's 2x. And we multiply it by 3. Well, 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. So we're going to get 6x. And we're all positive this time. Now we've got our inners. So that's going to be 6 and x. 6 multiplied by x gives us 6x. And finally our lasts, 6 and 3. 6 multiplied by 3 gives us 18. So we've got 2x squared plus 6x plus 6x plus 18. And we've got to collect our like terms. So it's x squared. We've still only got one of these x squared, so we leave it as it is. It's 2x squared. We've got two lots of x terms. A 6x and another 6x, we add them together, and we have 12x. And then finally, we have our plus 18. So our final answer will be 2x squared plus 12x plus plus 18. Okay, this next example, we have 3x minus 2, 4x plus 1. So this time we've got these numbers in front of our x's in both of our brackets. We've also got a negative in here as well. Well, let's start off with our firsts. We have 3x and 4x. Well, 3 times 4 gives us 12. And x times x gives us x squared. So we get 12x squared. Now we've got to do our outers. So that's 3x and positive 1. Well, 3x times 1 is just going to give us 3x. Now we've got our inners. So that's going to be negative 2 multiplied by 4x. Well, 2 times 4 gives us 8. But of course it's a negative, so it'll be negative 8. And we've got this x, so negative 8x. And then finally our lasts. We've got this negative 2 again, but we're multiplying it by this 1. Negative 2 multiplied by 1 gives us negative 2. Okay, let's collect our like terms. So again, we still only got this one x squared term, so we leave it as it is, so 12x squared. We've now got plus 3x minus 8x, so we're starting at positive 3. We're going down 8, so we end up at minus 5. So negative 5x. And then we've got this negative 2 on the end. So our final answer, 12x squared minus 5x minus 2. Okay, there's now going to be 2 questions for you to have a go at. The first of these questions, we've got x plus 7, x plus 3. If you pause the video for a moment, see if you can expand this bracket. Right, going through this first one then. So starting off with our firsts, we've got an x and another x, or x times x gives us x squared. And then we've got to do our outers, x multiplied by 3, that gives us 3x. Then we have our inners, 7 multiplied by x, that gives us 7x. And finally our lasts, 7 and 3. 7 multiplied by 3 gives us 21. Now we've got to collect our like terms. We've only got one of these x squared terms, so we leave it as just x squared. We've got 3x plus 7x. That's going to give us 10x. 3 add 7 gives us 10. And then finally we have our plus 21. So our final answer, x squared plus 10x plus 21. Okay, one last question for you to have a go at. 5x plus 2, x plus 6. If you want to pause the video for a moment to see if you can expand this bracket, and I'll go through it in a second. So starting off with our firsts, we've got a 5x and an x. Multiplying those two together, we're going to get 5x squared. Now we have to do our outers. That's going to be 5x multiplied by this positive 6. 5 times 6 gives us 30, so we have 30x. Now our inners, well, that's 2 and an x. 2 times x will give us 2x. And finally our lasts, 2 and 6. 2 times 6 gives us 12. Now to collect our like terms, we still only got this one x squared term. So we have 5x squared out the front. Then we have 30x plus 2x. We're adding a 30 and a 2 together. It's going to give us 32. So we get plus 32x. And plus 12 on the end. And our final answer should be 5x squared plus 32x plus 12. Make sure to like and subscribe for more maths videos.